To remove the optical disc drive, first remove the rear top cover. Pull out on the latch at the back of the optical drive, then press firmly on the rear of the optical drive to slide the optical drive out the side of the PC. Detach the metal bracket from the rear of the optical drive by detaching its two small Phillips head screws. To install an optical disc drive, first attach the bracket to the rear of the drive. Attach it to the drive with its two small Phillips head screws. Slide the drive all the way back into the unit until secure. Make sure the latch at the rear of the drive is pressed over the drive.